Hi, I am Dr. J. Geeta Ramani here to explain about SNS Roadmap. Every great journey begins with a question. Here also we have a question. How we are going to transform the learning into more effective, more creative, more student-centric? At SNS we have answer for this question. We have a roadmap from chaos to creation which transforms classroom into living ecosystem of creativity where it guiding every educator and learner towards the excellence of creativity. As like other transformation story, at SNS also we start with lot of struggles, moments of friction, frustration and also conventional thinking. But if there is an obstacle, there is also an opportunity. Yes, we find a good foundation which is called as design thinking, where we believe that a human-centered learning provides excellence in results. Yes, innovation follows naturally if we centered human in center learning and teaching process. Design thinking is nothing but a language of creativity which provides solutions to all kind of problems and changes ideas into impact. The heartbeats of SNS is nothing but the culture we are following, that is 3P culture: purpose, process and people. Purpose is why we do and what we do. So we imply this in all our activities. Next one is the process. Process is nothing but how we are going to carry out the purpose, in what way we are going to implement and in what way we are going to excellence in our purpose, and people ultimately who is going to do the process. Together 3P culture, we also achieve excellence by having the 3 C's. 3C framework contains attitude, logic and technique. Attitude always builds the character of the student and educator as well, and also the logic is nothing but which provide the technical ability, problem solving capability, and also technique is nothing but the skill development which provide a path towards the excellence. So it is not just more than a knowledge, but it shows how we are thinking, how we are acting and how we are applying. Attitude, logic, technique. With this 3C framework and our 3P culture, we also have a living ecosystem which is nothing but our 5 pillar concept, where we have a 5 pillars, namely Center for Learning and Teaching, Skill and Career Development, Center for Creativity, Industry Institute Partnership Cell and SRI, that is Social Responsibility Initiative. In CLT, that is Center for Learning and Teaching, we concentrate on learning and teaching process. And next to that, we have SCD, where we are upskilling our talents, meets out the industry standards. Next one is the CFC, that is Center for Creativity, where we are building the products from the problems that we found in the society and industry needs. Next one is the IAPC, where the networking is possible with the industry people so that we can update with the industry knowledge, and trends can also be studied through this relationship. Finally, we have an SRI, Social Responsibility Initiative. What we take from the society is we are giving back. So we are organizing a number of activities in this pillar. All the pillars are connected to each other, which forms the backbone of our living ecosystem. Along with these 5 pillars, we also have a spine, the activity center, where we can carry out the physical exercise and our recreation clubs. We have 15 industry clubs are there to guide our students as per the industry standard. As the world changes, as we are does in the SNS also, we are concentrating on Gen I implementation in our project development, and also we motivate our students to do the certification, that is global certifications. Through that, their career opportunities will get enhanced. And also our mission is to make 1,000 startups in the span of 10 years. Yes, design thinking provides the way of logical thinking and creative implementation. Along with AI, surely create this 1,000 AI startups in the time span of 10 years is not just a dream, it is achievable. Yes, we can. And we are extending beyond our classrooms into the real living ecosystem by following the excellence in every activities. And also we have OKR goals. Through that we can achieve the excellence. And also this 1,000 AI startups, 3P culture and 3C framework, design thinking and 5 pillars will lead us success in all the ways. Yes, at SNS we can travel from chaos to creation, from learners to innovator, from classrooms to communities. This is not just an institution, this is not a living ecosystem where every idea finds a purpose and every purpose becomes an impact. This is SNS where excellence begins. SNS Institution, building excellence step by step. Thank you.